If your GMC Acadia's wireless charger is as dead as your phone battery, this video is for you. Let's bring some life back to your ride and your phone. First, double-check your phone. Is it wireless charging compatible? Not every phone supports it, and bulky cases can also block the signal. Try removing your case and placing your phone directly on the pad, making sure it's centered. Still nothing? Look for dust or debris on the charging pad. It only takes a few crumbs to stop contact. Give it a quick clean with a dry cloth. If it's still not working, turn your car off, then back on. Sometimes, a simple reset does the trick. Also, check your vehicle's settings menu. Wireless charging might be toggled off. And don't forget, some GMC Acadia models only support wireless charging if the engine is running, not just in accessory mode. If you've tried all this and it's still not charging, you might need a software update from your dealership, or the charger itself may need to be replaced. With these quick checks, most issues are solved fast, and you'll be back to charging on the go. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy car fixes.